Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious, sweet, and tangy honey lemon pepper wings. Absolutely delicious, whether you're having a party or you want to make it for yourself. Let me show you guys how to do it. To begin, I have 2 pounds of chicken wings here. I went ahead and washed them and also cut them like this. Now I'm going to pat them dry. Now, if you want a nice crunch to these, you have to pat them dry, okay? Any moisture on here is going to prevent it from getting nice and crispy, so pat it dry. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on there. Mix it up together. Now I'm going in with the seasoning. I'm going to leave it down below for you. I'm using Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, ground black pepper. Mix it up. Now you have your chicken nice and well seasoned. It's time to air fry it. Yes, we have our Thai-fur air fryer. Let's go. Now we're going to place our wings in the air fryer. You can also place these in the oven. Now, if you're interested on this air fryer, I'll link it below. It's a really good air fryer. I've been using it for a good 8 months now. I love it. It's large. It gets the job done fast. So yeah, I'll leave it below for you guys. Now I'm going to close the air fryer. I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes on 350. Then we'll flip it for another 15 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, guys, our chicken is done. It's not done yet. I have to flip it over now. It's looking really good, as you guys can see. I had to change the temperature from 350 to 375. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over and allow it to go for another 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, it should be ready to go. Now I'm going to push it back in there, allow it to go for another 10 minutes on 375. All right, guys, the wings are ready and they're looking good. So I'm going to transfer them to this bowl right here. Let's toss them in. You can feel they have a little crunchy crispiness to them because listen to this. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And this is where we're going to toss in our honey lemon pepper sauce. So yeah, and this is what it looks like. Very, very good. All right, guys, it's time to make the honey lemon pepper sauce. So I have 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. I'm going to melt the butter here. Ooh. Once you have that butter nice and melted, I'm going in with about 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, going to pour that in. Yes, give it a stir. And also I have 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper that I'm going to add in. Mix it together. Ooh. And basically the sauce is ready. I'm going to toss this over my wings. Smells so good. Now we're going to pour the sauce all over our wings. That looks good, you guys. Give it a toss. Ooh. Yes. It looks good. Oh yes. Can you smell that? It smells so good. It smells like sweet, citrusy. Let's plate it. Isn't this the most beautiful plate of wings you've ever seen? Like, it's so mouth-watering. Let's give it a try. It looks so good. Let's try it. Stop it. Wow. These are good. Oh my God. I have no words. Absolutely, absolutely a 10 out of 10. Now, if you never tried honey lemon pepper wings before, now is the time to try it. Impress your guests with this one. Absolutely delicious. The most delicious wings that I've ever tasted. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new here. Drop a comment down below what you're making for Super Bowl. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.